the tech industry to bring in more people into virtualized environment. So today I will show you how to download it and then install it. It is not like before where you will just click the link and download. It will just download and then after that you install. No, it has some procedures for you to follow before you be able to get your ESE installer file. Okay, so let's go there. If we go to the link here, you will see the news. All right, you can see that VMware Workstation Pro now available free for personal use. This is good for lab environment and for other medium or small companies. All right, you can also set it up for them and for them to use it for free without pay. And once you reach here, you can see VMware desktop hypervisor product fusion and workstation are used by millions of people every day to run virtual machines on their Windows, their Linux, and Mac computers. They give users the ability to quickly and easily build local virtual environments, to install other operating systems, learn about technology, you understand, build and test software, complex systems, browsers, apps, applications, games, and more. Okay, all right, you can read others for yourself. But when you have gotten the installer, the ESC installer file, this is how you're going to install it. The moment you get it, you double click it, and then after that, you just say accept as an admin, and then it will ask you, how do you want to install it? Do you want to use it? How do you want to use it? Do you want to use it as a VMware Workstation 17 for personal use or for commercial use? For personal use, you can see this section that is asking you for a license key for personal use is graded out. All right. But if you choose for commercial use, that means you have a license key or you need to purchase a license for this product. Okay, after that you could just click continue, install, follow the process, and then that will be done. Okay, it is just like any other software that you want to install, and then after that you know what you're going to do. But for beginners and for newbies in the industry, you have to take your time to learn what virtual machine is, because it's more flexible compared to a virtual box. Okay, so that is how it works. And then now, after you have gotten here, let us see right now. We click on what? VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so once you click here to download, it will refer you. This is a company Broadcom that is hosting the product right now. So you need to have account with Broadcom before you be able to proceed with the download. Okay. Then for you to have account, click on login here, left click it and come to register. So you supply your account. You can see something. We will not be able to do this. We will not be able to do this because we need to confirm some keys here. You understand me? You need to confirm some key. I don't know. In some countries, it may be restricted. I don't know how this is. How this is in your own country. If you put your email here for the creation of your account and you click here, you see what is it showing you? See what is happening. It's not proceeding from here. Okay, so because you need to confirm some authentication that is popping up by the AI, but here it's not giving us. Okay, let us resort to another way of getting this thing done. Okay, all right, now let us open another new tab, and then let us use a private browser, and then we need use a new incognito window. Okay, and then we paste the same link. All right, this is how you troubleshoot things. Okay, as an IT expert, this is how you troubleshoot things. You come back to this place, it will ask you for acceptance. All right, you accept the cookies. After you accept the cookies, then you scroll down to the download section, and then once you reach here, you click here for Windows, because I'm using Windows. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can use the Fusion version 13. Okay. So once you reach here, we are using incognito. You can see the windows has changed to dark. Now you click here, all right, and you click on register now. So now this is what I was asking you. You can see this is what is required of us to enter. That is what we could not even register using the normal browser window. Okay, so you can see, so it will ask you to confirm this. All right, your email, you have to put your email account. I have to put my email account there. Then I have to now confirm this one. This one I may not know it. I don't know whether it is BAOC. Don't know. Okay, that is correct. And so once it is verified, then we click on next. Okay, we click on next. Tech expert. This is how you do what? You troubleshoot issue. Then you go to your account. All right, go to your account. Let me see. You go here. You go here to check for these things. Now you're going to see the authentication that have been sent to you. You copy it this way, all right, and then you come back to your browser, paste it there, all right, and then continue to verify. Verification is invalid. It seems like, okay, shit, okay. Let us see. Let us confirm again. Let us check the email again. 0 minutes ago. This one, okay, 9 minutes ago. This should be it. Let us check this one. It seems like I've done it 2 times. Okay. Return back to our browser. Okay. There we do. Good. Now we have sorted details. Now it has to ask me or ask you for your name. So my name is Gabriel and I live in Nigeria. And you can see it doesn't matter. The job title is not how do you call it, important, either administrator or engineer or whatsoever. Then you create your password. You make sure that at least 8 characters in length. It must have A to Z, both small letters and capital letters in 0 to 9, and as well as special characters. It should be among your what? Among your password. Okay. Let me just quickly supply it. Let me quickly supply it. Yes. So it's not matching. What is the problem? Should not have 3 or more. Okay. Let me supply it again. Let me see. Good. This time around, takes it. Let me supply again. Okay. Matches it. Then you click on accept the terms of use. All right. Once you have done that, you see the way I'm doing, do not close this site if you are not in US. All right. And then you click here, create. Do not close this until you are done. Okay. Now register successfully. Okay. So now, yes, yes, I want to build my profile. No, I will do it later. So once I say I will do it later, it will now take me back to this side. Broadcom portal, welcome to. Okay, for personal experience, please register or log in. You can close it. I still accept cookies. Okay. Once you get to this site, what is the next thing for you to do? You have to log in. Okay, you have to log in again, log in. So at this time, we have to click on, I have to supply my email, which I've supplied before, to register on this side. Excellent skill and gmail.com. Right, can say remind me, but for you, you don't need it. So it's redirecting me now. It's asking me, what is it? By signing in, you agree to, right? Yes. So having trouble in logging. No, 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 no. I have no trouble. Excellent skill. Okay. All right. I have to provide my password. That's what I was looking ahead. You can see how it is complicated to to have all these things done. Not just download agenda. No, 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 no. It is not that way. Okay. It's taking me now to the site. Is it taking me back here? All right. Welcome to this site. Okay. Uh, there is no problem. Okay, now this time around I've successfully logged in. I can see it now. Learn. So we have to select a broadcom storage. Then software is the software we are looking for. What are we looking for? Let us see. We have it should be VMware Cloud. You can see this is how I'm telling you. This is how I'm telling you about these things. This is how I'm telling you about this. You see, my download. Let us go to my dashboard. Okay. Once you reach a dashboard, what you need to do here, if you like, welcome to your personalized dashboard where you can gain access to varieties. Next. You don't need anything to block you. All right, and done. Okay, so now once you're on your dashboard, what is the next thing? Search for VMware. We are looking for VMware workstation, which is Workstation Pro. Yes, we're getting it here. Yes. So now, once you have searched for this, and then the next thing for you to do here is to click on here. You see, the announcement was made on the 13th, and this was effected on the 14th, the following day. Okay, you click on this link. Once you click on the link, then you scroll down. All right, you can see, you scroll down, workstation, response metric. This is any that is running on anything, and that is workstation. Let's move down. Let us move down. Response metrics. So to this reference, okay. Once you move down to this reference, you see under these references we have Workstation Pros 17.5.2. Okay, the next thing here is a downloads and documentation. So this is the download. This is what will give you the exe installer file, and why this one is a documentation. So this is what you are going to download. So click here. All right. Do not forget that I am doing this on what? On private browser on Google Chrome. Do not forget that. Okay. Once you have opened that, you can see you come to where? You come to this section here. You see VMware Workstation Pro for personal use, Linux or Mac, and this one is for what? For Windows, personal use. You expand it. Once you expand it, all is English version. There is no any other language here. If you want to change, there's nowhere you can get another language. Okay, you that you are not, you are not, English is not your first language or it's not your mother tongue. You have to follow this process and have it done. Okay. So now, once you reach here, you have to click here. This is the latest version and the latest release, 17.5.2. So you click it. All right. Once you have clicked it, you see the steps. Once you have clicked it, the next thing you need to do here, you can see the hashes algorithm, MD5 hash and the SHA-2 hash. Okay. The latest update was May 2024. The most interesting thing about this is that before they do announcement, they have already posted the software. That is the most interesting thing. So now once you reach here, you click here. But if you are clicking here to screen, you will still go through screening again, screening required. So this is not enabling you because you have not checked to agree. So check this, I agree to terms and conditions. So it will enable you here. All right. So once you click here, you have to, okay, prior to downloading this file, additional verification is required. Proceed. Yes, you have no option. You need to proceed. Okay. So after this, another thing you need to do. Okay. So I would like to put, because I live in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay. The city is still Lagos. Okay. The city is still Lagos, one of the biggest city in Africa, biggest so far. The province is still Lagos, okay? The province is still Lagos. The city is Lagos. The province is Lagos. The address is Lagos. And then the zip code, I will take this one as my zip code, okay? And then I have agreed to what? To the export laws and regulations of the United States and other countries, especially Europe, which they don't take this for granted, especially Europe. So you click on submit. All right. So you can see how the process to download this thing is not easy. You can see the process. Please give me a thumb up to signify like, and as well as please, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to this channel to boost this channel. I'm here to give you what is best for you. Okay, so once you have done that, once you have passed through the screening process, then the time has come now for you to download. Then you click on, you see before it was screening required, but now you can now download under a secure link, HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol secure. So you click here. I did not say that any link that is hypertext transfer protocol secure is secure. No, 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 no. I did not say so because some of the malicious file will be encoded in a secure site, and you still go about to download them. No, it is not done that way. Okay, so you will just select, you download here, and then just download the document. So you see, it started downloading. This is what we want. You can see the progress bar. Okay, so we are waiting. So it will take some time, depends on my internet speed, and as well as it depends on your own internet speed. If you can follow me according to how I'm doing it step by step on how